guys, it's Sam with WTI. From one parent to another, I have to tell you about this VTech Latches Indoors Busy Board for toddlers or kids. This thing is amazing. So as you can see here, it has 5 different doors or latches for little ones to open and explore. It has an on and an off button here. Quieter and louder button here, and various options up here. I love this for my son. I literally be occupied with this for like an hour, which is a long time in toddler land. He loves to open the doors and explore what's behind them. And it also makes noises when you open them. So for the fish, it'll tell you like, oh, there's 2 fish there, or 1 train, depending on which option you pick here, as you can see. It's pretty durable. It's made out of a plastic. It has a lock here for the battery, and it also has a little spot to hold this key, which opens the door here. So it's very fun, and I actually have fun with it too. So I definitely think you should try this out, and that is my point of view.